Okay. Tatapos lang namin mag-dinner. Early dinner. And we are going to...
Walking!
Walking. Okay, ito na ang palaya natin. Yan, may mga bunga na. Ayan, may bunga pa ang aming ampalaya. Very good talaga.
Then let's go walking, guys.
Yeah. Let's go walking.
Even the moon is still there.
Yeah.
Stay there. Popcorn. Popcorn.
Jumping jack. So we will walk. Mag-exercise muna tayo. Dito tayo sa palibot ng aming community. Ito yung Agan East Phase 2. Oh.
Kaya. Mamunga yan dyan. Kaya may ito avocado tayo, no? Luli lang.
Daw high waist man yan.
Oh, naglaro yung kaibigan ni Gabgab.
They're playing cricket. Your friend is playing cricket.
Here.
Kabila pa pala. Kabila pa, Gab.
Pwede ba tayo dito? Parang tayo matamaan dyan.
Nalikuan dyan.
Dito, papunta doon.
Hindi na naliko.
You know how to play cricket?
I have to play cricket, guys.
You know how to play?
Nagagagin yan siya eh. Dito sa agan na galing yung sa mabot. Buwa ka na kanina dito. Oh my goodness!
Oh, Anna.
No more!
I lost it.
No more. What happened?
I lost it.
Where's the red ball?
Kala may ano? Ladle.
Where's the ball go?
Diyan lang yan.
There?
On the roof.
But you cannot pick it. It's too high. Look on slowly. Slowly, okay? Slowly. I said it slowly because
Yeah.
it's hard.
Yeah.
You can
Yung
it too
bula, mahal pa
hard,
naman yan.
but it's hard. You cannot get it. It's on the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, you watch your steps. You watch the road.
Okay. Quack, quack, quack.
Dapat mayroon talaga yung silang pan.
O hindi magdikit sa gate. Kiba kami
May
aso.
aso dyan, B.
Makagat ka bigla.
Yung leg. Okay lang.
Buti ka na. Ginagautot ka.
Kasi kung galakat ako, ginagalong ko yun dyan. Nahang.
Guys, there's a motor up ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Galanbang ito.
Where's the car? Let me see the bicycle.
Oh, this is the car, no?
Oh. Woo. Marami na akong ano niyan. Nabuhay. Oh, wow!
Kabila, kabila.
Joy!
Where's Adam house?
Here!
Yeah. Wala niya.
And there is a corona dog. Corona dog.
Oh, hindi magdikit so. May aso dyan.
There's water here. Fine. You don't
Ah,
Take ba na, watering the flower.
Why is this still open? Why is the hut outside? Why is the hut outside? Why is the hut outside?
they just leave it there.
Why?
Ito na yung bahay ni Dave dati.
Ah,
Left or right?
left. Go left.
Left ka, left. Go.
Go left.
But this says,
Ha? Yan ang tao.
but this says, but there's right.
Yeah.
Right is there.
Patulan na ang niyog.
No!
Wala na bunga ang
Oh, careful.
Butas tayo. Careful tayo ng butas.
hawi sa tangan siya. Wala pa.
Oh, hindi dyan mauna. Hindi mauna.
Yan na natin bahay ni Kanem. Yan.
There's a mark on the wall. There's no mark here. Tay,
Yeah.
Tay, you see the marking, Tay? Go, see the left. There's the marking there.
Where?
It's black. I see it.
Yeah. Wala, bayaan lang.
Tao din pala.
See somebody's marking here.
Straight lang.
Ari o, baka nito. Kapag rin pa, pag tayo ito, mawala nila. Patay dito, meron yun. Kung dito baka makabili ako ng isang bilito. Mahal siguro yung tayo niyo.
Pwede mo tayo magbili pa siguro?
Ha?
Pwede pa magbili siguro.
Bili tayo isa. Ay, para.
Ano?
Tayo doon ba? Mas okay dili eh.
Ayan natin. Kapit naman yung kuhan.
Marami dili ang purpose. Wala tao.
Iayos ng bakod oh.
Malay bibit.
Somebody here.
Gusto nila mga tao.
Hmm?
Ang tao sa akin. Grabe ka labak lahat ng book ni ano no? Mumbai.
Oh, patabi kay may motor. Patabi kay may motor. Patabi. Okay.
Akin na.
Pag mag-jogging, hindi magdupo. You look up. You look at the road.
Nakalalaw mo.
Kaya kami pinapan.
Right lang palo sa kanya no?
Amin.
Lawyer mo.
Pagod ang kuha niya. Nabakasyon siya. Pagbalik niya, banat kagad siya gawa ng video.
Ano siya?
Nagbakasyon sila.
Napaglit na ako, wala ako na. Nakalayo ka, may parang mutakbo ba yan?
Kabila, kabila. Oh, puppies for sale.
Uy, yaba to.
Ah!
Ay, dami yaba to.
Kaya bas. Ayun o, hinog oh. You want to get it? But it's not ours.
Kaya ko na sa kaon ba?
But it's not error.
Yeah, it's not ours.
Ano sa barangay?
Easy to get yung bayabas na yan.
Hindi ko sa kaon.
Oh,
Ngipin, nagkatiba yung ngipin.
this is press house.
Oh, grabe ang kalit na
House
ito.
ni President.
Oh, see?
Ah, grabing sili ni Pres.
Well, chili bomb.
Ayun na, marami mo kaya tayong ganyan. Hindi niya makuha.
But there's Plants vs. Zombie up there.
Yeah. Yun na yung kinuha natin.
Die? Every Plant vs. Zombie, they doesn't look like shit.
Yeah.
It's like chili bomb.
Yeah.
Hindi ka nakakain ng blueberries doon. Ayaw ni Gabgab.
Magkain ako.
Mom,
So may blueberries. I will eat it. Ito, bakante oh.
Ito ba sara nila dati. Mahal ito.
Pangit yan.
Benta sila dito. Where? Ang hit yan si
Hindi dyan. Dirty yan dyan. Dirty yan.
Golden, tawag ito wala. Golden aranda.
what's up with that? I got it there.
Ay, ito yung bahay na nila. Sila kayo dito? Lain na.
Meron.
Lain na siguro. Wala kang siya nilit. Ito ba ako naman?
Wala na, iba nang nakatira dyan.
Wala mo pala. Yung ito na sakyan. Ayawan ko takbo.
Ito yung basketball court ng Agan. Basketball court pati plaza ng Agan East. Katabi siya ng barangay.
Broken crystal.
Don't touch the miming.
That's Lulu Jones cat before.
Looks like Lulu Jones cat.
Guys, you learn this, guys.
Yeah.
Where?
Ah?
Where did you learn this?
Yeah, I know how to do that.
Where?
In football training, you're doing that. Gawa sila ng CR nila na bago.
Wait lang, wait.
Wait. Kainin niya yung itlog mo.
Then we back you again.
The dog will bite yours.
Pauwi na tayo. Ganun na.
Yeah, it's not you.
Additionally, in the tab of the PRID spreadsheet labeled Python
No, no.
now visible on our screens, there is a photo of Mayor Espinosa. He's the person in the yellow t-shirt in
5 years
the
old na.
second row on the far right side. As you can see from the enlarged photo, he's been crossed out in red. Indicates the key to the hotel.
Wow. Wow.
Hello.
Pa ako ng opera yun.
They look up a hole.
Okay, bayaan na yan. Yan na.
That's okay.
Wala na siya.
Oh, trouble.
Oh. Watch out, Gab. Watch out.
Ano kita sa eskwela? Ang gini bata ang ulang parehan no ito bata. Ito pa tayo ito.
Oh, patabi lang. Kaya may motor.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Ah, oh, say bye-bye na.
Puppy. Bye. Bye.
Love you. Love you daw, Gab, sabi niya.
Okay.
Hindi yun sa English.
Sabi ni Gab na, what's your name? Sabi na niya, what's your name?
Kaya kan. Yung gani gawin ka pingi.
Don't say it. What is that?
Tulungay ni Mulberry mamunga na.
Mm. Oh, you say hello to Lola ni Adams.
Ako na pagpulang pulong ko na. Ano ba? Si Adam kayo sa lakyan?
Hindi. Oh, alis dyan. Dito ka.
Buyang ka.
Oh, hello kay Lola ni Adams.
Hi.
Hi Lola. Hi.
Adam.
Ay wala siya. Si Adam. Sa office. Alam niyo yung bahay ni Adams. Alam home.
Say bye-bye kay Lola. Bye-bye, Lola.
Saan yung kasama mo na ano, Nay? Maganda lalaki. Ay, takurong na. Takurong
Dito
siya.
ka, dito ka magbaba.
Sa kapatid ni Alin.
Okay.
Hiningaw ka daw, wala ka na upo. Hingay. Tumido.
Bye.
Tumido ang ko ito.
Pawis na ako tayo.
Okay. Bye-bye kay Lola. Bye-bye, Lola.
Bye. We will be back soon. And even that lantern, that light is broken. See?
Yeah. Sige na, sige na.
Ganda pala
Sayang.
no?
Okay, magpasok siguro siya dito.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Hindi lang
Left
bawan.
and right. Back.
What do you call that? That's slalom. 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 Yeah. Oh, what? Stop na kay nasa nasa kuan ka.
Sayang no, bago na sana nila tanin.
Hmm.
Kasi may umot na siya eh.
Watch your steps. Na ayun. Hindi mauna.
Oo. Yeah, no, Sven. I want you. I want you. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Hi.
Sige, sige.
So parang madali lang. Natapos na namin ang aming walking. Balik na kami sa aming lugar.
How'd you catch me? Hi.
What the heck?
So natapos na natin ang ating exercise. Very light walking. Pero masanay na tayo dahil tigulang na. So bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye na. Bye.
Bye.